walk through a real-world example of setting up a funnel report for a membership purchase. Every business has their own user journeys, so the best we can do is show you how you can utilize the flexibility of these new reports to your advantage. With all the other settings pretty standard, let's go ahead and jump right in by clicking on the pencil and editing the various steps. You will see dialog boxes allowing you to select which dimensions and even specific variables to choose for each of these steps. You can choose up to 20. We go ahead and start with a specific funnel exemplifying how you can start a user journey from a specific page. You'll want to choose page view, and then the parameter will always be page location. You can choose either contains, equals, regex, all your normal options for the URL. Here you'll notice we have our second page going to the account activation. For the third step, we want to use a specific event. Here it's submit start checkout. We don't really need any parameters and we don't want to limit it anymore. However, we do only want the membership category of users. So within our purchase event, we've selected the item category, which contains membership. A few alternatives, we may also want to limit this by users that are visiting our website for the very first time. In that case, you'll want to use first visit event that's automatically collected. Let's say I want to have users that have come to the website during our time frame, but it may or may not be their first time. Go to session start right here. As you can see, a well-defined event and parameter structure goes a long way in building amazing funnel reports. A few other really cool options is we can select between whether we want them to go directly from or to that step, or with even a certain time frame. Let's say we want to see how many visitors activated their account within 5 minutes. Simply turn that on, and here we go. Last but not least, you have a real-time count of how many users are within this journey. I think we're done. Let's press apply, and there we go. There's your funnel report. And now to summarize, we can see the 4 steps that we defined, how long it took for users to go from step to step, how many users completed that step, and just the reverse of that, how many people left from that area. And if we roll over, we can see where people went if they did not go through our perfect user journey.